Today I'll teach you how to use file upload control to accept Excel file in ASP.NET. So let's start. So first I am adding an ASP.NET file upload control. Now I'm adding the attribute accept. The accept attribute accepts one or more than one file extension, and the extensions are separated using a comma. In this case, it will be Excel file. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the choose file dialog box is allowing only files of the specified type, that is Excel file, to be accepted, while other files cannot be accepted for upload. With this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to use file upload control to accept Excel file in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.